Hi guys, Tricia here from Decisive Designs Table and More Solution, bringing you another beautiful tablescape. Today I have for you some wonderful colors, natural, easy on the eye colors that should be easily implemented in any style. Your home decor, um, living room, dining room, bedroom, easy peasy, right? Black. Who knew? Black and brown. So I have this gorgeous set that I did for you. The tablecloth has these beautiful stamped in leaves on it in this bronzy color. Really, really nice. And then I got the matching napkin for it and even the napkin ring. I mean, come on. If that's not matchy matchy, I don't know what is. But sometimes you have to, in order to get that cohesive look, and then you implement new tones and colors into it. So I have this gorgeous salad plate. It is so gorgeous. I had some chocolate, milk chocolate color ones before, and I remember I had these and I changed them. And I'm going to tell you why. For some reason, I was going on green candles, because I have brown and black I'm like, green candles with this. Then I'm like, all right, I'm not gonna fuss. And then I saw that and I'm like, well, I can pick up the green out of that. Now, it's small tints of green in that palm tree on the plate. And the bamboo color is natural, right? And the plate has this great tone to the black. It's kind of like chalkboard, with that variation of different tones of that white and black or gray. So I'm like, okay, let me use the green candles. So, but I only had 6 of these. And that's one of the things that I don't like, but I'm getting to like having 6 of something so I can implement different tones and texture into my design. Now, these beautiful plates I had saw on Facebook Marketplace recently, a couple weeks ago, and they were 7 advertised. And I texted the lady, we set up date to go get them. Now, when I got them and I was on my way back, maybe halfway into my trip to home, she texted me and said, guess what? I found the set. Do you want it? I have 8 plates and 8 salad plates. All right, so I did not go for salad plates. I go for dinner plates because I love them, right? So I said, I was on the fence. Do I want them? Do I not want them? So I said no to her. And she said, you know what? Then come get the 8th dinner plate. I don't know how she knows I do 8. My table seats 8. And that's what I wanted. So I went and got the 8th, and she didn't charge me for the extra one. So that's how gorgeous these plates are, and the story tells something else about the person. And then I have this wonderful charger that I picked up at Home Goods. Now, Home Goods, they're really good when they bring out chargers. They bring out the dinner plate, the salad plate, the whole 9 yards to match. So it's sometimes it's easy on the eye when you just, take one color and implement it. So if you're somebody who likes this nice glass brown charger, they have the dinner plate and the salad plate to match it. And then I put this nice color placemat. It really picks up that light tan off on the tablecloth. And, and that's what I do. I try to have this monochromatic look with the same color but different tones, right? And look how that looks. And then throw something else in it so it look interested, right? So now I'm going to show you what I originally had planned to use. These beautiful chocolate salad plate. I wanted to use those. And I did. I had set the table with them, and then I found that. So if you want to implement your style, and what happens is the more I leave my table and not video it, the more I change it. That's why I like to design it, video it, and post it so I don't change it. Because sometimes the change is good and sometimes it's okay. So this would have gone quite well with everything that I have selected, right? So goes to show you that you can do what you want, and when you do it, just make sure you tape it right away and left it, just because sometimes it might not look gorgeous in your eyes, but someone else's eyes really picked up something else in there. All right, so also I wanted to show you, because I had another salad plate in mind that I thought would have gone perfectly with this set. So here goes a black and white. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Even with the browns, it set it apart from the browns, but it's beautiful. But I decided not to go to white because I don't have a lot of white to implement this look. I wanted to stay more on the brown tones. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put, but this looks, I don't know, in my eyes, it's just gorgeous. I just love it. It looks like a work of art. All right. So, and then my utensils here, I did the two tones, and I thought they look really nice. And I just did my regular multicolor clear wine glasses because I love it. I think it goes with all different styles, and it just looks beautiful any day of the week. And here goes my center. So I have the story that I had told in my previous video of the things that I'm selecting for this tablescape. So I want to break this up apart and talk about this. When you're implementing your look, anything natural makes it looks cohesive. Like it gives it a different texture and it makes it finish. And I wanted something here, but not something that will clash with my leaves and my different colors. I just want something to add luster and beauty to the table. And what I did was I added my my center runner, which is 3 boards. Now, usually I have three of the same that makes a nice long runner, but I misplaced one. So, what I did was I thought of a way to still implement it and use something else. And I found my piece board. You can hang this on the wall. Um, you can rest this anywhere. And I just love how they painted it gray and wrote the word peace on it, and then did like a little antique look to the wood. I love that. So, what I did was I put it like so, like there's a stream under here, and we need something to cross over or even a bridge. I know I have crossed over a lot of trials and tribulations the past year, and I'm looking towards my future. Also, it sends me back to my childhood in Jamaica, where we have rivers, a small stream, and in order to go across it, we needed like a piece of wood or some stepping stone to cross it. So I'm looking forward to cross over into this year of prosperity for me and my family. And I love what that stands for. So what I did was I put this pot with all of this green goodness. I just love the way it looks on the eye. I love it. And what I did was, you guys gonna love this. I had two birds that I had over there, and I put them like so, and I wanted to say, guys, peace, no fighting. Everybody got their little space, and we want only peace in this house. So sometimes, you have to share your stuff, and there's no peace. So I wanted to put that there and say that, and I thought that's so cute. And then I finished it with this gorgeous candle holder, and of course that green picks up the little tiny green in those plates, and I, for some reason, it's saying green, 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 not brown candles. And then I have these gorgeous natural wax candle that I was given from a nice family in Port Ewan, and I put them in a glass vase and put them around, right? And I have a little ducky there to make it fun. And then I put this let's eat sign right there, and it's black, and you see that looks gorgeous. I like that. And then over here, and I have the black holders with green candles. But look what I did. I ran out of pillar, and I added a taper, and it's the same color. So mix and match your stuff. And when it looks weird, it's interested, and it even looks nicer in the eye. And the different style candle holders makes your design. Not everything should be matchy matchy, and I've been saying that, but it has to go together, right? So it's just, I thought it's gorgeous. I thought it's gorgeous. We're not gonna have anything breaking today. Yes, I thought it's gorgeous, and I thought it came out just the way I had hoped for it to turn out. And just to have that wooden runner in the center and these black candle holders with the green going, it's just, I think it's gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. And then there's another thing over here that I want to mention. So I had 6 of these gorgeous palm tree plates, and I needed two for the head seats. Now, sometimes I implement the different ones throughout the other seats, so kind of they're hidden, mainly the middle seats, but you can do whatever you want. So I picked up this stoneware salad plate, and I thought that looks gorgeous. Again, I was thinking about the chocolate brown ones, but for some reason, I wanted to keep it a little bit more all black. That's what I was going for, but I needed to implement the browns in here. So, yes, here you go. It's just gorgeous. 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 I love it. So, what I want you to do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell me how you feel about this set. Do you think that I should have gone with the milk chocolate salad plates? Do you think that these ones look better with this set? Let me know. Link me in the comments below, and tell me your thoughts. But now I want to get closer so that you see every detail of this set. Every detail. And if you have any Tablescape ideas out there that I should be implemented, or you would like for me to do, let me know. Send me a link in the comments below, so I can try to get that one out there for you. All right, and then my station, I try to put some stuff away, but I have stuff loaded all over the place. I just love my green wall. That avocado green is gorgeous. And I had put some glassware here on the server, but I wanted to show you a little bit more of my dining room, just in case you're a new viewer. And that's my server up there. And this is my china cabinet with extra storage on the side. And I did those natural basket on the top. Kind of look like restoration style. They do a lot of that. You know, they don't really leave a piece of furniture just like that. They always put something, add something somewhere, so it connects. It connects to something, so that it connects to something, and that's what you do. You connect your design to something. The green candles are connected to those green plates. Well, the green shade in that plate, but yes, it's gorgeous. I just love it. I just love it. Well, I wanted to thank you for stopping by. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for subscribing. Please send my video a little further so that your friends, your family could see it. And I can't do it without you. That like button should be my friend, your friend, everybody else's friend, because when you hit that button, it sends it further. You support my video. So thank you. Thank you so very much, and see you in my next video.